Hey and welcome back. In this video, we are going to implement face detection API inside our project and integrate it with WebRTC. So first thing to do is to add the dependency of it. So let's go with the version of it first and then add the library to it. And then inside build.gradle file, I'm going to add this face detection. Let's press sync now. So after saving, first thing that we are going to do is to navigate to FilterStorage and add the key for face and then add the variable for the config, and inside the loading we want to add this, and of course for the saving you will add the extra boolean like this. And now for the filters UI state, I want to add this state here as well, of course inside the reload. Now it's time to add the menu option to our filters dialog. I'll add it like this, and inside the save method of save button, I'll use the FaceDetect to state.FaceDetect. Now that we have the option inside the Dropbox menu, it's time to add the effect processor. So let's go and paste it inside my image processor package and paste this face oval effect, which draws an oval around the face that it detects. So what we do, we create a face detector object with some, minimal options that is recommended inside the ML kit documentation, and an apply block that gets an input of type bitmap and then returns the bitmap. Of course, because it has a successful listener, we are going to use the suspend cancelable coroutine to the process of detecting face. If we find one face, we wanna create an oval using the dimension of the face object. So we have to add it inside the video effect pipeline. Let's create a new instance of face oval. Inside the enabled, I wanna create face detect object of type boolean. Inside the process, I want to add another if, and of course inside the close function, I use the object and close the process to avoid any kind of memory leak. Now let's go inside WebRTC factory, and you can see we are going to need another state for the face detect. I'm going to copy and paste this one. So face detect. And we have to reload inside the filter config. So face detect is equal to cfg.facedetect, and for sure we want to pass it as the input for this process function. So face detect is going to be equal to face detect. Simple as that. So it's ready to launch. Let's test our application now. Now if I press the call, the camera is started, and let's go to the filter settings and of course enable the face detect. Yeah, we should see that it's drawing an oval around our face. So that's it for face detect implementation. Easy like that. See you in the next video. See you everyone.